If your unemployment claim is recently pending in the state of California, and by recent, I mean after the July 10th certification or later, it's most likely not due to any work search activity questions. It is most likely that you are part of what the EDD calls a quarterly review. And you have three options to have that quarterly review flag removed off of your account so that you can get paid again. The first option is to wait. California EDD has recently announced the Pay Now Conditional Payment Program, but it may take the EDD a little while to realize that you've already been pending longer than 2 weeks. The second option is to email your assembly members. And to do that, you're going to go to findyourrep.gov and then type in your zip code, find your rep, email them, tell them you're experiencing financial hardship. That should help you get paid faster. And lastly, I know it's really hard to get through, but you can call the reps and ask them to remove the quarterly review flag off of your unemployment claim. If you need help calling the EDD, one of the easiest ways to get through is by using the dialing service claimer, and I do have the discount link in my bio on how to do that. Follow me for more California EDD unemployment tips.